We developers have a lot on our plate. There's the design of the software, the decisions to make with regard to the best way to create the software, the infrastructure, third-party libraries, language, the writing and running of the tests, and hopefully using the tests to drive the design, etc. The implementation, the continual need to keep up to date with what's going on in our field, and so on and so forth. Isn't that enough? Aren't we like superheroes already? To my mind, no. There's another area we should pay some attention to: verbal and written communication. Consider this. We are, like it or not, the intermediaries between a highly technical, jargon-filled field and the rest of the world. To get our jobs done, we have to be able to communicate our ideas, discuss our requirements with end users and business stakeholders, request infrastructure improvements and upgrades, all from people who, essentially, are paying our salary. The other aspect is that we have to convey through comments the whys, whats and hows of the things we did to the developers who will be maintaining our code. And more often than not, that maintenance programmer will be ourselves. It behooves us then to learn to write well, to express ourselves as best we can. The better we do it, the better our environment becomes. But how? Unfortunately, unless we already have a natural talent for communication, we have to learn. In reality, it's not that difficult, and like everything, it just requires practice. Lots of it. I wrote my first article for a magazine in February 1992, 19 years ago, and I've been writing articles and posts ever since. Start a blog. Posterous and Tumblr are easy to set up, and write something regularly, once a week on topics that interest you. Review a movie you saw or a book you read. Write about the issues you encountered in your work and how you solve them. If nothing else, that'll serve as a memo to your future self. Jeff Atwood also recommends joining Stack Overflow and answering questions there, but then again, he would say that, wouldn't he? Let's become more erudite, and then we really will be superheroes.